Hello my friends, Autodeal here, and today I want to tell you about a product that really changed the way that I'm actually using my office. Because I have a lot of products here, I do daily reviews, almost daily reviews actually. I get a lot of mess and dirt, and it's really not clean where I am. So today I have something that will help me solve that problem. As you can see, that's it. It's the Eufy H30 HomeVac Infinity or H30 Infinity HomeVac. Basically their newest, greatest and latest vacuum. The thing about this vacuum is that it's super small and very powerful for its size. So I'm gonna tell you all about it today. I've been using it heavily, but Anker knows that this is a powerful vacuum. It also has the labeling for its weight, which is 808 grams or 1.78 lbs. That's really lightweight for something as strong as this vacuum. And when I'm talking about its power or suction power, we are talking about 80 air watts. This is really powerful for the size that you are looking at right now, and it's also extremely mobile, sorry for my English. So that means that you can really use this on your desk. Let's say you want to clean up an office like what I'm doing, clean up a car. It's going to be really easy to use this specific vacuum. As you can see, I already opened the tank over here. It's 250 milliliter. There's a button over here to open it up. There is a two-way switch over here for its power mode, whether it's max power or standard activation, and there is an on-off switch over here to turn on the vacuum. One thing I liked is that this switch stays on the last setting that you chose. So whether you're using only max power, you will have that set up as default. You don't have to press it again and again after you turn on the device. You're also getting this charging stand, which is really awesome, and you have a couple of options here. First of all, it's a wireless charging stand, so you put the vacuum on it, it charges up. There's also an LED light on the bottom that lets you know its current state. And over here on the bottom, if you actually hang this up on a wall, you'll be able to hang all of your accessories, including this huge, as you can see, this huge extension rod, which you can use with this vacuum. And you can actually put both of the heads that you're gonna get with the Infinity, the cleaning heads. We are going to talk about them in a moment. So first of all, let's see what we get in the box. As you can see, I have everything here on the table. You get a huge book with this, with drawings of how to use the actual vacuum. This is really big, one of the biggest books or instruction booklets that I ever got with the product. And we get these two heads, and I like the fact that we only get these two because these are the most common ones that I actually use to clean up the office. So first of all, we have this cleaver tool, and what you can do with that is basically you have two positions for it. First of all, you have the brush, and the second position for it is just the cleaver tool without the brush. So you can use that to clean anything and everything, but in the end I think you'll use that to clean places that are hard to reach. You can also use the actual vacuum head itself without anything connected to it to clean specific places, because you're gonna get all the power from here like you're gonna get that with this specific tool. It does connect by force, so there is no specific way to actually get it stuck in its position. You disconnect it like so, and you connect it like so. So it's very easy, but it was hard when I got it in the beginning. Also, another head that you're gonna get, a cleaning head, is this one, and this is actually a rotating brush, and it gets power via these two connectors over here. You can't connect it to the extension rod. You can connect it, but you won't get any power to it. The only way to connect this is directly connecting it to the vacuum, and it works great. I mean, I like it. I used it a lot. I'm just gonna connect it now correctly, and as you can see, this is also connecting by force. No specific clickable button or anything to disconnect it. So the same way, you're going to have to disconnect it, and it's sometimes not that easy with this specific tool, as you can see. Now, another cool tool that I got is the, I don't know how you call this, it's a vacuum brush, whatever. You get two holes over here for the vacuum, and you get this wet pad, which you're gonna get a bunch of, which you can use. And I think you can use generic ones also, because this has this part over here on the plastic where it basically connects, and it really easily sits on the brush. This is not the kind of vacuum you will use to basically wash out your apartment, but hey, you are still going to get the option to use it with, for example, hard floor or anything like that. So all in all, really interesting product from Anker. I think one of the things that I really needed and I didn't know I need, and definitely I'm starting my week with this guy, cleaning up all of my basically all of my desks, and it gets the job done really well. It's really lightweight, 808 grams. The suction power on it is 16 kPa, or actually 80 air watts AW, and that's really strong for its size. And unlike other vacuums that I have here, which basically weigh 2 times or 3 times as much as this one, I still get a lot of power in a small size. So I hope you enjoyed this video review. If you did enjoy, definitely subscribe, because I have some extremely cool gadgets over here. You don't see them, they are on the table, and you don't want to miss out on them. So definitely click on the subscribe and like button. So I'll see you on my future videos. I'm going to put more video recommendations on my sites over here for you to watch. If you like this one, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this one more, or at least the same as this one. Thank you very much for watching. I was Roto Deal. Bye bye. See you on my next review.